Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start now, stop activity and calm the hand. First, quickly inspect for deformity, open cuts, or signs of fracture. You need to know if splinting is safe. Once done, clean the area and reduce swelling by applying ice for 10-15 minutes, wrapped in a cloth. Next, control pain with an OTC dose if you can tolerate it. Make sure circulation is intact, check color and feeling, because that decides whether to continue at home or seek urgent care. You now stabilize the thumb, which prevents further damage. If the thumb is jammed but not obviously fractured, gently support the base with one hand and align the joint by extending it slowly. Stop if you feel grating or extreme pain. Once aligned, mold a thumb spica splint, commercial or a tongue depressor taped snugly to immobilize the joint and wrist together. Make sure the splint holds the thumb in a comfortable, slightly opposed position. Finally, recheck circulation and sensation. Adjust tightness to avoid numbness. You complete the repair by securing the splint and planning recovery. Wear the splint continuously for the initial period, commonly 2 to 6 weeks, then start gentle range of motion when pain allows, progressing slowly. Once done with immobilization, do short exercises to restore strength and check for stiffness. Make sure to schedule a healthcare follow-up if pain or function doesn't improve. Troubleshooting tip: if you notice numbness, persistent severe pain, changing color, or worsening
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.